All right, we're going to make a rotary engine in Wings 3D. We got Wings 3D up. We'll start with cylinder. It's going to be a 9-cylinder engine, just like on the old Fokker triplane. We'll say OK. And now, scale down to it's about square. We'll put it on the ground. I hit G, and then we switch over to face. We'll do inset, extrude, normal, and let's look at it from the top. I go Y, we'll scale uniform, extrude normal, scale uniform, and the basic shape here. And what I do is set the edges all the way down there to hard. I and what G. Make sure we got them all. We'll make 6 cooling fins, and we'll you see that, and then we'll connect them. Y. Hit I. I pixel-like faces, and we'll do loop. Loop. Make sure. Now we bevel them. Now we extrude normal. All right, loop. So those edges, hardness, send those to hard, and we get just to the general shape of the motor here. So we inset, move, Y, extrude, normal, go loop, hardness, hard, and wait, face, loop, hardness, hard. Now let's look at it. All right. Now, G, we'll connect those. We'll move that on the Y-axis. Okay. So now we hit S for smoothing. Oh, nope. This is why we do these things. But do these individually, because it's not going to do a loop. They did too much work on in that area. Set to hard. I had a better idea. And I didn't like the way that was looking, but here you go. Because that was looking too fake, so we get that, right? So we'll see to connect those. Now we'll slide down there, and that should, there you go, that's more like it. The same thing here too. All right. Now we're ready to hit the whole thing, smooth it. Now, there we got our rotary engine. Now, to make it ready for print, here's what we got to do. Have that, get that midway point there, where it's at its widest, and we can hit loop. It's going to go all the way around. And we're going to do loop cut. Now, we'll have Y, move, X. We'll rotate it, and it's going to be 180. Select both of these, put on ground. Get the back faces where we did the cut, when we do a loop, and set the hardness to hard. We didn't even do stuff like right? Let me do set. Let me do I. Scale uniform. They're about square. I. Extrude. Y. Flatten. Y. Do loop. Hardness. Hard. And do loop. Hardness. Hard. There. little bit more intricate there. And we'll call it. So when we export, wavefront, we select wavefront object because that most of the printers will take that and be able to do something with it. And now Wings exports thing amazingly small, so I multiply by 10. And I put one subdivision step, like one smoothing level when I go out. So it'll be a little bit smoother than that. Now, we already made this before, but I want to show you how to do it. And here is what it looks like. Get some light on the subject. And that's how you make a rotary engine in Wings 3D. I just want to point out the two halves here are glued together like that. And what I use to glue all my models, I use an FDM printer and I use PLA. And this stuff seems to work pretty good. Oohoo Heart. It's hard to find in the States, but you can get it through Amazon. Did not have good luck with some other glues. This stuff seems to work just like I wanted to. It's kind of what I wish Gorilla Glue would be, because Gorilla Glue expands and it doesn't work that well because we kind of want some precision. And PLA doesn't work with model cement. This is actually made. This glue here is actually made to make like balsa wood models and stuff, you know, and like the paper balsa wood plane type of thing. It works pretty good, but I mean, some of you might know better things to use too. I'm not a perfect expert, but you know, that works for me.